It is not a secret anymore how artificial intelligence influences our daily life. It enables us to become more efficient as we speed up and perfect many processes essential in business and everyday life. Many websites have AI powers, but many people don't know about them. In this video, I'll introduce you to 9 secret AI tools in some way or another. Check out how these websites can improve your online presence and life. 7. Tutor AI. Tutor AI is a learning platform where you can learn anything. It is based on generative AI that is updated to the latest news and trends. All you have to do is input your queries and read the output. When you search for something on Tutor AI, it loads different modules related to that topic. The modules are segregated into beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. To use Tutor AI, you need to sign up using an email ID. It is currently a free-to-use tool and you can learn everything using it simply by inputting the text. 6. Explain Like I Am 5. Explain Like I'm 5 is a simple-to-use web application that is powered by AI to simplify topics that can be understood by a 5-year-old child. You need to ask it to explain any topic. It can explain topics in many different languages and can also explain topics with sarcasm added to them if you enable the sarcasm option. Explain Like I'm 5 can be useful in preparation for exams and interviews. It is also a great tool to learn the basics of a subject that makes the solid ground to learn the subject even better with time. 5. Scholarkey. Scholarkey is an AI tool that lets you read smarter by simplifying and summarizing articles and the input you give. You can use it to learn from articles on the internet about your subject as well as your lessons. It is very tough to go through thousands of pages of research papers. To bypass that, you can use Scholarkey to summarize the key concepts for you. 4. Brainly. Expand your knowledge and connect with other students at Brainly, the AI-powered platform designed to help students ask and answer questions, share knowledge, and solve problems. Brainly uses AI algorithms to surface the most relevant and helpful answers to your questions, improve the accuracy and efficiency of moderation and content moderation on the platform, and make personalized learning recommendations to help you learn and progress more effectively. 3. Century. Take control of your learning experience with Century, the education technology company that uses AI to personalize student learning. The platform provides personalized recommendations based on your strengths, needs, and goals and helps parents or teachers track your progress. Century's AI-powered platform can help you achieve better academic outcomes and improve your overall learning experience. With access to entire curriculums, including thousands of individual lessons and assessments, Century is perfect for students of all ages. 2. KnowG. Another one of the best AI education tools on the market is KnowG, which is an audio-visual vocabulary program that uses current educational research. Know is created for language learners, and it employs many approaches and concepts to assist students to learn quicker. The AI teaching tool records each word's development and can forecast when users are likely to forget. It accomplishes these qualities by employing a spaced repetition algorithm, which helps pupils to learn better over time. 1. Grandiscope. The Gradescope AI application enables students to analyze one another while offering comments, which are generally time-consuming processes without AI technology. Gradescope depends on a combination of machine learning and AI to make it easier to grade, which saves time and energy. By outsourcing these jobs, teachers may focus on the more essential ones. Gradescope may be used by the instructor to mark paper-based examinations and online assignments, as well as to prepare projects all in one spot. Students can use AI tools to simplify and summarize complicated concepts in their subjects. It can also be used to guide students on their assignments and test preparations. If a students need to do a project in the holidays without the teacher's intervention, AI can help guide the student in the right direction without wasting time. The systems can adapt to the student's needs and target instruction depending on their weaknesses and strengths. Thanks for watching.